I'm John Klesnick, and this is lava for HWE from BonnetPro, because nothing's more powerful than lava. And lava is going to be a great complement to what you provide with your services. So let's pick one of the products, go through it, and explain a few of the details and the benefits of liquid lava for you. Liquid lava is NanoMAXX based. So any of you guys that have used NanoMAXX over the last few years know that it's a super green, super high performing product that cuts hydrocarbons better than most any synthetic chemical does in the world marketplace. So what we did to bring the cost down, to put this at about the $50 a gallon mark, is we've added additional solvents to NanoMAXX, and what we get is an incredible spotter and pre-treatment for hot water extraction. The pH is low, so you can use it on residential Stainmaster carpets, and it's strong enough for any commercial carpet cleaning job that you have. The AFT in here, the natural anti-resoiling capabilities and qualities of AFT. AFT is a functional protein which helps block oily binders and biofilms from attaching to the face fiber. So on future cleanings, this will clean easier, and this will also stay clean longer for you because of what the AFT does. It's built into the product. There's no extra drying time, no extra cost. You can still use carpet protectors like Guardian afterwards, but it's not as necessary now. This can be used at approximately 1 ounce per gallon, 2 ounces per gallon, which is 8 to 16 ounces in a hydroforce. So that $50 per gallon price really starts to shine because of the very, very low dilutions required by this product. In a few minutes, we're going to go out to a warehouse that is over a half a century old that had a machine shop in it. The grease and gook on there I could scrape off with an ice scraper, and this product cut through that relatively quickly. You're never going to get that type of a buildup on a carpet fiber, but I did that just to prove a point of how superior this technology is with the NanoMAXX, with the AFT, with the additional solvents, and the low dilutions. You cannot beat liquid lava for a liquid extraction pre-spray. In this line, real quickly, we've added a powdered red lava, which has oxy and citrus. It's a 7.5 pound jar, not a 6.5 pound jar like the competitors. That extra pound can clean up to another 1,600 feet, worth over $300 of extra profit at only 20 cents per foot. We have blue lava, powdered pre-spray, same 7.5 pounds with no oxy. This will mix in cool water, and I have a video for that. See the link below. And this will mix very easy for if you have apartment complexes or properties that you're doing that the hot water's been turned off. You can still use this powdered product and it'll mix fine for you. And then we have yellow lava, and I'm very proud of this. I put a lot of work into this 10 months of research. This urine stain and odor remover product gives you your best chance of a one-stop cleaning visit where you don't have to come back on subsequent visits to either do what it didn't do, the product didn't do the first time, or to make the remediation more challenging. This has all types of built-in special blended peroxides, odor control agents, ingredients that destroy odor-causing bacteria, and a variety of components and more raw ingredients than any other product in the market. So if you have used some of the other guys' products and been, well, it's okay, but we could do better, this is better. So you definitely want to check out yellow lava for urine stain and odor removing. So we will go out to the warehouse in a minute, and we will show you some of what the spotting abilities are of the liquid lava. And we appreciate you watching. Come to BonnetPro.com for more information and check out all the lava products. We have nano-based lava rinse with AFT. We have acid lava, which uses 2 organic acids for as a textile rinse and neutralizing agent. So there's 7 products total in this new line from BonnetPro. Lava for HWE. Nothing is more powerful than lava. Hello, this is John Klesnick with BonnetPro. I wanted to do a quick video for liquid lava as a spotter. So we're going to open this up and take our liquid lava product, and we're going to use it full strength as a spotter. I wanted you to see on this floor here, this is a heavy scraper, and this is so much here I can actually scrape this off the floor. So if we look at the amount of material here, this is really caked on. So what I want to do is I want to put this on in a couple spots just to show you the power of this. Now I'm going to take a scouring pad, and we're going to work at this. And this isn't your normal stuff that you would see on a carpet. This is 53 years of caked on machine shop soil that's been built up on this floor. You see how that's dripping out of there already. So this is dissolving and emulsifying this with this NanoMAXX based formula. So the small microemulsion particle size can get in and break up stuff. And if this can start to remove this kind of crud off of a machine shop floor, imagine what it's going to do on a little bit that's built up on the face fibers of your upholstery, or I'm going to let that sit another second, or your carpet and your floor coverings. So this is typically a 1 ounce per gallon product. You might go 2 ounces per gallon as a pre-spray. This is a lower pH, so it can be used in residential and commercial environments. If you wanted to add oxy to it, you could add oxyol, 14% stabilized peroxide from BonnetPro, or red lava, which has even more grease cutting ingredients that it would add, plus sodium bicarbonate. So give this a little bit more rub here. And again, we were peeling this off with the ice scraper. It's just gooked on there. You're not going to get a carpet that's this bad. So let's give that a little scrub and a little wipe and see what that does for us. And that's taking that down to the bare floor. Again, since this is so thick, you're not going to get this in just a few seconds like we're doing, but this will dissolve through it and get through it and take you down to a very clean surface. So again, if I were to take the ice scraper here, where we just were, I can literally peel layers of this off, scrape it off with the scraper. There's that much of it there, so you're not going to get anything near like this on your carpets. So Liquid Lava has excellent power, plus it has AFT and resoiling properties. The functional protein is going to help you, it's going to help block oily binders and biofilms on your fibers for a better clean, and a clean that's going to last longer. And that's historically been a problem for hot water extraction with rapid resoiling, but the AFT is a new technology that'll correct that. Hope you liked the video. We're going to be doing more, and look forward to serving you in the future.